I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to enable notifications on the Steam app, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Steam app. Launch the Steam app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access settings. Click on the menu icon, usually found in the top left corner, and select settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Navigate to notifications. In the settings menu, look for the notifications tab. Click on it to view your notification preferences. Step 4. Enable notifications. Toggle the switch to enable notifications. You can customize which types of notifications you want to receive, such as friend requests or game updates. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your settings, make sure to click OK or Apply to save your changes. Failing to do this may result in your preferences not being updated. Now you're all set to receive notifications on the Steam app. Enjoy staying updated on your gaming activities.